everybody, it's Agarena here, and we're gonna be continuing on with this now, so let's continue. We'll get this. X accuracy. Cool. Okay. Dang it. In the process of that, XOI's got to level 13. Nice. Potion. Nice. Cool. Potion. Okay. First battle. I'm going to fast forwards. Let's go. Next battle. Speeding up. That's away. Oh god, damn it. What was that? Did he just punch him? Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so scary. As promised, here is your HM. But let me say this. You should treat your Pokemon better. The way you battle is far too harsh. Pokemon are not tools of war. Well, in his books they are. Humph! He claims to be the elder, but he's weak. It stands to reason. I never lose to fools who babble about being nice to Pokemon. Hey, shut up. Hey, shut the hell up. I only care about strong Pokemon that can win. I really couldn't care less about weak Pokemon. Bob used an escape rope. Escape rope. Okay. Talk to him. Skip the first bit. Sage Le. What the heck is that? What kind of name is that? Sage Le. Come on, Sage Le. You'll never beat me. Never. Okay, Ember. I like to burn stuff down. That was weird. Okay. Level 14, nice. I need a new Pokemon, god damn it. Hoot Toot, cool. Ember, die! Hoot Toot, die! Hoot Toot has to die. It has to die. Oh my god, that was critical. I wonder what its normal attack would be. I mean, that would be kind of scary. Foresight, Rally, jeez. I'm a ghost Pokemon, you dumb nut. Ember Exois! Yeah. Killed him, oh yeah, you suck, little man. You suck, little man. Bellsprout. Die, little man, die! Die! Die, little man. Die, Bellsprout, die! It's super effective. Enemy Bellsprout fainted. Exois gained 1266 exploit points. Sage Le was defeated. Nice. Ah, excellent. Okay, I used Exois. Oh my god, it's evolving! Do 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 do. Take this flash, HM. Edgar received HM05. Nice, we got HM05, which can light up Dark Cave. that, you know, that cave we passed by? Yeah, that place. And here is a flashback on the screen. Okay, so there was your flashback. So let's go now. Yeah. Let's. Oh, why didn't I do? Okay, right. Be right back. And now we will do the gym. Da 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 da. Now let's face Faulkner. I'm Faulkner, the Violet Pokemon Gym Leader. People say you can clip flying type Pokemon's wings with a jolt of electricity. I won't allow such insults to bird Pokemon. Oh my god, that's so gay. I'll show you the real power of the magnificent bird Pokemon. No, you won't, cause you're going down, Bia. Yeah. Bia. Cha. Whoopsies, wrong move. Oh god, no! I used the wrong move. Okay, that'll work actually. Oh god damn it, mud slap. Okay, no, god damn it. Yes, mud slap. Oh, actually, no, that's a bad thing, because it lowers your accuracy. Oh, God. Lucky I have that X accuracy. Okay, Leader Faulkner sent out Pidgeotto. Let's just decimate this stupid Pidgeotto biatch. Yeah. Die, Pidgeotto, I'm faster than you. So get alive, you're level 9. Oh god, I missed, holy crap, I'm gonna die in it. Oh no, no. Oh, hit, god damn it, X accuracy. Oh god damn it, this is gonna be death for me. Pack. Oh, for God's sakes, jeez. Oh my god, this is so gay. Oopsies. Nice! I used it, finally. Yeah! And I think that'll end our video off. So, if you liked it, subscribe, and stuff like that. Okay, so, yeah, I guess I'll go now. Leader Faulkner was defeated. Let me just read this first. Darn, my dad's cherished poor Pokemon! Can you afford Pokeballs? Jeez. You're kind of a loser if you don't have any Pokeballs. I got the Zafira badge for 900 Pokemon dollars for... Okay, so I'm gonna go now. See ya, guys.